Hey guys, it's Lovin right here, you're in Lovely's Corner, and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I would like to share with you guys my experience with Polygel nail extensions. So these are actually the Polygel nail extensions on my fingernails. So yeah, they look so cute, so lovely. I really love the feeling of having them on my fingertips or on top of my natural nail plate. So yeah, so paano ko nga ba ginawa itong mga Polygel nail extensions na ito? You will find out in the following video. In the meantime, let's discuss what are Polygels, guys. So yung Polygel ay actually latest nail enhancement na ginagawa today. This is actually a combination of acrylic nail extension and the gel manicure. As what we all know, yung acrylic nail extension, acrylic powder siya with the liquid set na minimix pa para magkaroon tayo ng mixture na may apply on top of our fingernails and to create false free edges of our nails. Yung gel manicure naman ay yung type ng manicure na much better siya sa ordinary nail polish that we are using. So, much thicker yung consistency ng nail polish ng gel manicure. So, mas maganda yung magiging effect niya. So, yeah. Combination na tong polygel na to. So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-mix pa ng powder at ng liquid para magkaroon ka ng ganitong mixture. Ready-made na siya. Mabibili mo na siya. Yung, yung tube niya with different shades or different colors. Once you have them on, they feel so strong, flexible, and they feel so light. Hindi mo masasabing naka-fake fingernails ka. Like, natulog na to sa akin ng overnight, pero hindi pa rin sila nag-fall off. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yung pagkakagawa ko. Yung strength niya at yung quality ng polygel on top of our fingernails is nakadepende din kung paano yun natin ginagawa. So, kung hindi tayo masyadong alam or marunong, mabilis matatanggal yung mga polygels natin. So yeah, so if you want to know more about how did I do all of these nail extensions, please keep on watching this video.
Umpisa natin sa pagpili ng nail molds or ng dual forms na kakasya sa mga fingernails natin. Next, let's apply the base coat which will protect the natural colors of our fingernails.
So we're done applying the base coat. Let's now move on sa Polygel. Let's now start with the application of Polygel Fast Building Nail Gel in the shade of Soft Pink. Ayan. So, kukuha lang tayo ng small amount at ilalagay natin dito sa dual form. So, I'll start with the little finger dun sa pinakamaliit na dual form. So, ayan. So, let's just squeeze an ample amount. Ayan, konting-konti lang siya. And then, we have to use a special tool or a spatula. In this case, yung ginamit kong spatula ay yung flat part ng pusher. And then, we need to use a container with alcohol at dapat nakastain na nakadip yung brush natin sa alcohol para hindi siya tumigas kasi yung consistency ng polygel natin is medyo sticky or thick in consistency. So, ayan. Isa-spread ko lang using the brush yung polygel sa dual form or sa nail mold. Ayan, so let's try putting it on our fingernail. Ayan, dito sa pinakamaliit. Ayan. And then, isa-sun-dry na natin siya using this lamp about 45 seconds. So, depende sa type ng polygel na ginagamit ninyo. So, there are polygel na naglalast siya na 1 to 2 minutes na curing time. Pero this type of polygel, ang bilis niya. This is a really fast building type of polygel. So, ang bilis niyang matuyo. Ayan. So, I think that's enough. Ayan. So, para i-remove itong dual form or yung nail mold, isi-squeeze lang natin siya sa part dito. And then, squeeze and then lift. Yun na. Ito na siya. Now, let's proceed with the other fingernails.